Today we're going to talk about protein synthesis. Now, to know about protein synthesis, you need to know about Rex. Rex is a T-Rex, and got a really big head, teeny tiny arms. He lives in kind of a crappy house, but he has big dreams. He wants to live in a log cabin one day. So he draws up the plans for these dreams. That is called a blueprint. Well, Rex's blueprint isn't perfect, so he calls it a professional, Bob. Now Bob comes in and he makes his own copy of the blueprint, fixes a couple things right there. Once he has his blueprint, he's going to leave Rex's house and he's going to go to his workshop. And at his workshop, he's going to have the copy of the instructions for the house. He's going to gather the materials. Now, if you're going to build a log cabin, you need some logs. Then you follow the instructions and assemble the logs into a real life house or log cabin. Now, this story is so that we can understand protein synthesis or making proteins. Now, you can pause the video here so that you know and can study that picture. But it takes place in two basic steps. Transcription, which we're going to look at right here. Transcription is the first step, and all you are doing is copying the information from DNA into RNA, DNA to RNA. This is just like when we took Rex's copy of the information for building the house, and Bob came over and made a copy. DNA changes to RNA. What do we change? Well, blueprint, T changes to U. Next, this copy is going to leave the nucleus, and that's where we start translation. Translation is the second step of protein synthesis, where we're going to assemble amino acids into a polypeptide chain. Now, to do this, we have to head to the workshop. Our workshop in science is the ribosome. That's where we take the materials. Here, we use amino acids, these green things up here, to put together in a specific way to form a polypeptide chain, which is the beginning of a protein. Make sure you remember transcription comes before translation. Transcription happens in the nucleus, translation in the cytoplasm. That's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Best of luck, guys.